Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Outlook. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Outlook, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on a device and go to outlook.live.com. On the home page, tap Sign In at the top right. On the next page, enter your email address, phone number, or Skype ID. And tap Next. Then, enter your password. If you forget your password, tap Forgotten your password to reset it. When done, tap Sign In. And that's how you log in to Outlook. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.